Hi guys, it's Mrs. Rush again, and we're going to continue on with part 2 of our percents and fractions notes. So as I was saying, to write 174% as a fraction, I would put 174 on top and 100 on the bottom. For this one, it's okay to have the bigger number on top. This one you definitely can simplify. You can divide them both by 2. So I'm going to divide by 2 on the top. Oops, sorry. And I'm going to divide by 2 on the bottom. I just have to move to the bottom. So when you do that, you're going to get a new fraction of 87 over 50. Sometimes you might see this as a, 87 over 50. Oh, it's being a little funny. Oh, there we go. Sometimes you may see this written as a mixed number instead, like this, 1 and 37/50ths. Okay? So you can leave it 87 over 50 for now, okay? Um, all right. But again, as a mixed number, it would be that a whole number 1 and then 37 over 50. All right, now let's start practicing how to go the other way, turn fractions into percents. So step number 1, we're going to write your fraction as a new equivalent fraction. That just means a new equal fraction. So we're going to write our fraction as an equivalent fraction with a denominator, means bottom number, of 100, because percents are always out of 100. So pretty much, guys, we're going to make our fraction into a new fraction with 100 on the bottom. Highlight the yellow parts that you're going to write on the notes. Okay. To figure out what the numerator is going to be, we are going to multiply the denominator and, well, the numerator and the denominator by the same number. This is when we would use our multiplication charts. Those will come in handy. We have to figure out what number to multiply, and we'll multiply by the same number on the top and the bottom. And then the last part, we write our answer with a percent symbol, which kind of looks like that. So you write your answer with a percent symbol. All right, so there's the steps. So we write our fraction as an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100. To get our numerator, we have to figure out what we're going to multiply by, and you're going to multiply by the same number on top and bottom, and then write your answer with a percent symbol. Okay, let's do a couple examples and we'll be all done. All right, first one, right? 1/4 is a percent. What we're going to do first is you are going to set it up like I am. You're going to turn 1/4 into a new fraction with 100 on the bottom. Okay, so set it up like this. So we have 1/4 equals something over 100, okay? Because percents are always out of 100. So this is when we would use our multiplication charts to help us. I have to figure out, how do I go from 4 to 100? What do I multiply by? And actually, what I'm going to multiply by is 25. So I would do times 25 on the top and bottom. And 4 times 25 is 100. That works. So then 1 times 25 is 25. We're almost done. And then you take that number you just got on top, this 25, and put it with a percent sign. There's your answer, 25%. Okay? All right, let's try the next one. Write 3/50ths as a percent. Oh, and it looks like, look, my video is going to end in 25 seconds, so I'll have to do part 3. I only have 3 examples left. So let's start this one, 3/50ths. So step 1, I'm going to turn 3 over 50 into a new fraction that's going to have 100 on the bottom. It's a little bigger for you guys. So that's where we'll end up. We make 3/50ths into a new fraction with 100 on the bottom. See you for part 3.